What could possibly heat up this entire large room here in Cle Elum, Washington? It is this gas stove that we're going to be taking a look at. Take a look. It almost looks like a real wood burning stove, doesn't it? Which, by the way, it's kind of cool over there, but don't touch that part or that part right there. But if you wanted to put a tea kettle on there, you could certainly heat something up. The actual grill on the front, I mean, you can touch that if you'd like. So if you got like a little dog that accidentally swipes it, he'll be okay. But let's actually talk about the setup of this thing. Now, we do have a fan, of which is tagged in this video right here, and that has to be plugged in. Of course, you can see the gas line right there, but that's the fan right there. Now, to turn on and off the entire unit, which automatically turns on the fan, is this little button right there. That rocker switch we always keep on. To adjust the speed of the fan, you go up and you go down like that. So if you just want it to be a whisper, quiet trickle, you could go all the way down, or if you wanted to blast it, if you were really cold, you could do just that. As for actually venting this thing, let's take a look up here. And if you were to see, the vent goes all the way up there. Here's the outside view, the exit vent, which I'm also going to be tagging in this video if you're curious and if you want it to go all the way up there. And that's all you need to stay warm here in Cle Elum, Washington.